If you're planning to build a social media marketing agency from scratch and start generating leads online, you need to keep watching this video until the end of it. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Irfan here and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a course called Modern Millionaire. I don't know that whether you heard of it or not. I'm inside the members area, as you can see. So this course is going to teach you everything about building a profitable social media marketing agency, but you're going to know that how important lead generation is. A lot of people say that, social media marketing is dead, it's saturated, it's over. Guys, just think about it. All businesses out there, whether it's restaurants or dental offices, real estate agents, or all these businesses need leads. So, and most of them, I would say over 90% of them don't know how to do that properly, or they don't have enough time to do that. So you as an agency owner, if you're planning to build a brand new social media marketing agency, can definitely help them out and make really good money from it. So this course, Modern Millionaires, is going to teach you everything from scratch. And a little bit of disclaimer here, I don't have any affiliate link in the description for this course. So just to let you know that this is a complete, honest review video about Modern Millionaires. So even if you go to Google and search for Modern Millionaires, you're gonna get into this page. So as you can see, this course is created by these two guys, Abdul and Chance. They are perfect guys. As I said, I've been through all these materials right here. They are great instructors. They actually teach you everything from scratch with details, and especially the first module, which is the foundation. I think this module itself is worth the whole price for it, because it's all about mindset, the structure of your business, your mentality, beliefs, everything is covered inside the first module, which I highly recommend to go through every single one of them. So that's what I'm saying. If it's something that you're kind of on the fence about and don't know where to start, and you haven't started your business yet, or you don't have any idea about lead generation, social media marketing agency, or even online business, I definitely recommend you to go for this course, because if I want to show you the breakdown of these structures, you will see the first module is all about the foundation. The second one, module 2A, setting up your agency system. So there are 23 videos all about setting up your agency system properly. And you can do that, as you can see, all these videos are right here. Domains, G Suite is now, G Suite, which is for your business email, and it's talking about different softwares that you can integrate with your CRM, with your website. All these structures are right here from A to Z. So I'm not going to go really in depth, because there's so many videos, guys, as you can see here, for the second module, which is all about setting up your agency system. It's all about setting it up properly and connecting it to your CRM, so which is high level right here. So there's so many useful videos in this module right here. And module 2B is going to be all about prospecting and sales. So once you understand the concept of this business model, how it works, if you need to fix your mindset about it, guys, it's very, very important. A lot of people say that, oh, I mean, this is going to be the same as the other courses talking about mindset, beliefs. Guys, you gotta understand that how important mindset and belief is in order to help you to be successful, especially in this business, because it requires a really, really powerful mindset, I would say. Because I've been into this industry. I can show you my website. It's dgvo.co, and this is my brand new social media marketing agency about helping real estate agents. So as you can see, I've built everything from scratch as a business owner, as a digital marketing, as a social media marketing agency owner. So I mean, I'm telling you because I've done it myself. I've been in your shoes before. I know how it's like to start a brand new online business. So just go through everything yourself and see how things work, fix everything into place, and you'll get the results. I mean, if you put in enough time and effort into everything, you're going to get the results ASAP. So module 2B, prospecting and sales, is all about, as the name states, it's going to teach you how to go after your clients, how to find them, how to cold email them, how to cold call them. So everything that you need in order to acquire a client. As you can see, cold email marketing training, part 1 of 2. This part is going to be the second part of cold email marketing. Build prospect email list, free cold email setup, fix forwarding issues, set up G Suite for cold email. See, it's very, very important, because as a business owner, especially as an agency owner, you need to know how to do cold emailing appropriately, because you don't want to get spammed, you don't want to get flagged by people. I mean, you will, but but it's going to show you that how to avoid them to hurt your business. You see, it's very, very important. And when you scroll down, you see Facebook ads to land clients on Autopilot. A lot of courses don't talk about it properly. They just give you an overview of Facebook ads, how to get clients from Facebook ads, and it's not really efficient. I've tried that. I didn't get any results. But this course is going to show you everything step by step from scratch about Facebook ads, about Google ads, about LinkedIn. So I'm going to show you in the next few minutes, but this is how it is for the second module. So possible Facebook errors, some extra options, a screencast sample, contracts. It's very, very important. How to set up payment processors, my favorite part, and Google ad campaign strategies. So Google ad, Facebook ad, LinkedIn, and Linkdify, which is this one right here. Prospecting with LinkedIn and Linkdify. So this is a complete module to show you how to integrate your LinkedIn with your CRM, how to connect it properly, and how to use it effectively in order to generate the highest quality leads. So it's super, super important. Go through every part of this module, guys. Don't skip even one of these videos, because it's going to give you so much value and it's going to help you in the future. So module 3A is all about driving traffic using Google ads, and it's massive, guys. I mean, all of these videos are really in depth, more than 10 minutes, more than 15 minutes, and it's going to show you everything, literally everything. They haven't held back anything. They literally given away their secrets to people. So this is not something that you can skip ahead. So what are Google ads and how do they work? The psychology of search, properly structuring your accounts and campaigns, what is a landing page and why it's so important, what makes a great landing page. See that all these items are right here in a sequential order to help you be successful much faster and in an efficient way. So it's very important to go through all of them, guys. And as you scroll down, you see that you have different things regarding Google ads, write ad copy that sells, campaign configuration, negative keywords, ad extensions, creating rules. This is something that you cannot find anywhere, guys. If you go onto YouTube and search for this stuff, it's just gonna be a very, very general overview of these topics. It's not gonna be in depth. So if you're planning to build an agency, just forget YouTube, guys. They're not going to teach you anything on YouTube. It's just very, very general, and they're just going to confuse you, because at the end of the day, you're watching so many people's videos and you don't know which one to follow, which one is going to lead you to the right way. You don't have any idea. So that's why it's very, very important to follow a blueprint, a proven blueprint that helps you to reach your goals. So based on my experience, I've tried so many ways. I found out that in order to become successful, you need to follow a proven blueprint and stick to it, guys. You don't want to make yourself confused, or you don't want to distract yourself. Just stick with one proven blueprint. And again, there's so many things about a module 3A, which is driving traffic to Google ads. The next one is driving traffic Facebook. See, the previous one was an overview of Facebook ads, but this is a complete separate module for driving traffic from Facebook. And as you can see, it's going to show you everything from creating your account, creating your page, installing your pixels, creating your ad account or business manager account, and all the way to optimizing configuration, broad lead generation, local lead generation, creating custom columns, custom audience, lookalike audience, all of them are right here, and they're gonna show you how to spy on your competitors' ads, which is going to be super efficient. If you want to run a successful campaign, you're going to know that what your competitors are exactly doing, so you can clone the same thing. So they're going to show you everything step by step. So I don't want to click on like any of these videos, I mean, because I don't want to click on every single one of these videos, because as you can see, it's gonna just take some time. So I don't want to show you all of them, but you know what's going on. High level training, it's very good. If you don't know what high level is, it's a CRM that you connected to your website. I mean, high level itself is a very complete platform that allows you to create websites, funnels. It also has a built-in CRM and so many other things. Everything in one place. So everything is in one place, guys, and they're going to show you everything from scratch. They're going to give you tutorials that how to use CRM high level for your business and how you can use it effectively, because if you check it out, you see that there's too much information inside high level and you're going to just get distracted. So if you follow these trainings, you will understand how to use it properly. So they have a separate module for high level training, so I highly recommend it to go for it. As you can see, they have a separate video, make a template and sales points, set up campaign and funnel into it, a Facebook lead forms, pipeline setup, connecting a calendar, scheduling appointments, how-to videos, maintenance, and all this kind of stuff. So the list goes on and on. So module 4, how to create an autopilot system that works for you. So after you've gone through all these steps, this is the last step you want to go for in order to build your business on an autopilot system, which is creating an autopilot agency machine, team communication, which is Slack, this one like Asana, and Done For You Store, which is their service. I mean, that's not all, guys. I want to show you something really cool beside this course that you've seen just now. So they also have a Facebook group, which is a private group, guys. I mean, this is my secondary account, that's why I'm not inside this group, but they have a group with more than 5,000 members. This is not a general group, it's a private group. After you actually purchase the course, you will be able to get access to their course as well, with more than 5,000 members. So you're not alone. If you have any question, just feel free to ask the group members. They're gonna actually respond you. I mean, the instructors are gonna respond you, so you won't be alone. So if you have any question, just don't hesitate to go there and ask your questions. All these members are highly active. So, and the next thing is that, which is super cool and kind of blew my mind, is actually their coaching calls, their weekly coaching calls. So they're gonna have a coaching call every single week, and not only once. It's probably 4 times with different topics. So one of the workshops is going to be all about Facebook ads. One of the workshops is going to be about Google ads, about email marketing, about all this kind of stuff. So they have so many workshops, which is live weekly call, and you can just join it and enjoy enjoy learning from the instructors themselves, because they're live, it's not recorded. They're gonna provide you with a Zoom link that you can actually join at a specific time, and you can ask all your questions there with no problem. So I personally enjoyed working with them, and I highly recommend you to go for that as well if it's something that you're interested in, because all these businesses out there need lead generation. So it's very important, whether you want to work with restaurants, with dentists, with, as I said, real estate agents, with I don't know, just roofers. I mean, whatever business that you want to get into, they need some sort of a lead generation tool. So you, as a business owner, as an agency owner, go out and find them and start helping them with lead generation. So that's why it's never ever saturated if you do the right thing. But if you just want to do everything yourself from scratch to find out how stuff works, I mean, you're gonna get bothered, and it's gonna take you probably years. So this is what I wanted to talk about on Modern Millionaires. As I said, no affiliate link in the description. It's an honest review about this course that I personally fell in love with it, and if it's something you are interested about, just go to Google and search for Modern Millionaires, and you can get access to their course. And if you have any question regarding this course or anything, just drop your comments below this video, guys. Don't hesitate to ask me all your questions. You can also reach out to me directly via my email, which is irfan@dgvo.com. So thank you so much for taking your time and watching this video, and see you later.